Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's do a little housekeeping first and then get on with what the title says. Number one, subscribe to my channel. Number two, thumbs up for this video. And number three, you know guys, put a comment down in the comment box. And anything that I show you today, check down below in the description box and find out what it is, where I got it, in case you forgot. Again, hit that bell so that you will always get notifications that I am uploading or have uploaded a new video. So don't forget guys, subscribe to this channel. So let's get started with what we got in the mail today. Here it is guys. So let's open it up. Now where I got this from, I am a Advent watcher of The View, and on every Monday The View has what is called View Deals. So whether or not this is still there, I have the company that it came from, so you can buy it if you like it. Let's see if they're gonna give us their secret information. And yes, they did. So guys, I have a phone number and I have a website, so you can go and find this particular item if you like it. So what it is guys, is actually a broom and it's a broom, here it is, and it's a dustpan, and let me just put this down so that I can see. And then okay, you get a mini WISP as well. Look at that guys. This color is a gray. It's more like a charcoal gray than anything. So these two go here. So when you want to sweep up, which I'll show you in just a second. Oh, my throat very scratchy. Excuse me. I'm drinking some apple cider. So let's open up. Now here's the broom and the dustpan. Here we go. Like it. Now I've seen this color. The colors that this was in was a turquoise, a chartreuse. I think I saw red, I'm not mistaken. But me personally, yours truly, I wanted the charcoal because I felt like those colors would interfere with my color scheme. I'm just so conscious of color schemes that I really wanted everything to fit in with what I'm doing. I didn't want red. You know, I thought about it. I didn't want chartreuse. I thought about it. So, oh, this is nice, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It can also be extended. Look at that. And guess what? I only paid 20 bucks. Of course I had to pay tax. You know, we always gotta pay taxes. And then it also has an opening here, so in your pantry you could put a hook and just slide this in right there and have it hanging up in the pantry so it won't take up any space on the floor. Now here's the other part. Let's see where this part goes here. I think that goes in there. No, that doesn't go there. Anyway, I'll have to fix that in a little bit, but I just want to kind of show you. Okay, I'll get all that down pat. Okay, I see. All right, I just want to get that down pat. So let me show you. And of course, it's going to make things really easy to pick up. So I'll just go over here and I'll kind of do a little bit of demonstration to show you how this works. Voila. Oh wow, this is so good, guys. Oh, I love it. I love it. Guys, I love this. Now, it did come with instructions, and also it's giving a quick start video if I want to go watch the video. And look at that, guys. All the instructions, plus they're giving you a video, and you're getting a 90-day warranty on all other parts, repair or replace defective parts, and the bristles is a lifetime. The coverage, replace the WISP. So guys, look at that. You get a lifetime warranty. So don't forget to check down in the description box. I'm going to give you the information. I don't have a sponsorship with these guys. I just ordered this from View Your Deals from The View, which every Monday The View has View Your Deals. And I'm expecting some more things that I ordered, basically, which were some personal items. And oh, one more thing I have here, which really, this was just part of something I bought. It was like a shopping haul, and I don't know if you guys know, but I love flameless candles, and I was able to purchase this one, Mikasa. I got this from TJ Maxx, and I only paid $7.99 for it, and it requires two AA batteries. So I'm gonna really put this, you know, I'm gonna use it for decorative purposes, and I'm gonna put it in one of my decorative glass vase, and then I'll have the batteries in, and I'll be able to have this going anywhere I want, and I don't have to worry about fire, because that is the thing that we must all concern ourselves about and be safe. We must burn candles safely so that we don't have to worry about burning down the house. So guys, on that note, and here's my little WISP. So it goes like this, it can be stored here because there's a little attachment there. So this is like just for some little, you know, like little light jobs. Like say for example, your windowsill, you know, like in the summertime you have your windows open and you get a lot of soot and dust coming in. Well, this would be ideal to sweep or at least to brush in those little small areas that you can't get into with the big broom. So on that note, guys, again, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to put comments in the comment box, and don't forget to look down in the description box for the items that I just showed you. So on that note, guys, bye. See you soon.